Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I'm giving you an update on the live ladybugs that I released almost 4 days ago now. I went outside and looked at all the leaves. Now we still do have aphids, but we also have a bunch of baby ladybugs. So these are ladybugs in the larva stage. They look like, people say they look like little alligators. They certainly do not look like regular ladybugs. They are black with this orangish yellow stripe on them, and there were a lot of them. We have some pictures of them here, and so you can see that they are right at home with all these little soft body insects that they can feast on. Now, a ladybug will eat about 5,000 aphids in its life cycle. That's pretty good for one single ladybug. I also am seeing some ladybugs around, mainly on the hydrangea buds, but that's great. I want to keep them in the garden, so releasing them at night when they weren't going to fly right away, let the ladybugs know that they had a good crop of aphids in my garden, and it looks like some laid eggs. It takes only 2 to 3 days for those eggs to hatch, so now I have all these larvae on my Rose of Sharon bushes. Now, I don't know if this is really going to be enough to fix the aphid problem, but it certainly is interesting and worth a try. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.